In a world driven by progress, ambition, and endless innovation, humanity has always been searching for something more, something beyond the ordinary, beyond the visible, beyond what we believe to be possible. From the earliest civilizations to the modern digital age, we have looked toward the unknown with curiosity and determination. Every generation believes it stands at the peak of knowledge. Every era believes it understands reality. Yet time and time again, we are reminded how little we truly know. Because the deeper we explore, the more mysterious our world becomes. Across continents and across decades, there have been moments that changed everything. Moments that challenged science. Moments that reshaped history, and moments that forced humanity to question its own understanding of reality. What if the world around us holds secrets far greater than we can imagine? What if the truth is not hidden in distant galaxies, but right here, within our reach? Tonight, we step beyond the surface. We explore the patterns, the discoveries, and the events that are quietly shaping our future. This is not just a story. This is a journey into reality itself. Welcome to Veritexia. Every breakthrough in human history began with a simple question. Why? Why do we exist? Why does the universe operate the way it does? And why do certain events occur that seem to defy logic and explanation? For centuries, scientists and thinkers have attempted to answer these questions. They built machines, they developed theories, they pushed the limits of knowledge. And with each discovery, humanity moved one step closer to understanding the universe. But with every answer came even more questions. As technology advanced, our ability to observe and analyze the world grew stronger. Satellites mapped our planet. Computers processed unimaginable amounts of data. Artificial intelligence began recognizing patterns that humans could never see alone. Yet despite all this progress, there remained anomalies, unexplained events, unusual patterns, phenomena that refused to fit into conventional understanding. At first, they were dismissed as coincidence, then as error, but eventually, they became impossible to ignore. Across the globe, researchers began noticing subtle connections between seemingly unrelated events, small discoveries that pointed toward a larger reality, a reality more complex than anyone had predicted. In laboratories, data revealed unexpected trends. In remote locations, observations challenged existing theories. And within digital networks, patterns began to emerge that no one had programmed. It was as if the world itself was revealing a hidden layer of truth. Some experts believed it was a breakthrough. Others believed it was a warning. But everyone agreed on one thing. Something significant was happening. As investigations continued, the pieces of the puzzle slowly began to connect. What once seemed random now appeared deliberate. What once seemed isolated now appeared connected, and what once seemed impossible was now standing directly in front of us. Throughout history, humanity has faced moments that defined entire generations. The invention of electricity, the discovery of space travel, the rise of the internet. Each of these moments transformed civilization in ways that no one could have predicted. But now, we may be standing at the edge of another transformation, one driven not just by technology, but by understanding. Understanding how our world truly operates, understanding the forces that shape our reality, and understanding the role we play within a constantly evolving universe. Because progress is never accidental, it is built on curiosity, driven by courage, and sustained by those who refuse to stop searching for answers. So as we stand at the edge of tomorrow, we must ask ourselves one final question. What kind of future are we building? One driven by fear, or one driven by discovery? The answer will define the next chapter of human history. and that chapter is already being written. This is Veritexia, where ideas become reality, where discovery never stops, and where the story of the future begins today.